As children, we are frequently asked, "What do you want to be when you grow up?" Typically, our responses are imaginative, like an astronaut or a doctor. However, when it comes time to make that decision in our late teens, or even as adults, it can be incredibly challenging to find the right answer. To assist you in reaching the right conclusion, here are 7 steps to follow when searching for your ideal career path. Step 1. Make a list of your hobbies. To truly enjoy what you do for most of the day, it's vital to find a job that you love. Therefore, a great starting point is to consider your hobbies. What are you passionate about? What would motivate you to get out of bed on a cold winter morning to go to work? While your passion may not necessarily be your strongest skill, it serves as a good foundation to help you determine which career to pursue. Step 2. Discover what you're good at. What you enjoy and what you excel at can often be quite different. For instance, you might love dancing, but you may actually be very skilled at organising. Thus, a career as an event planner, office manager, or personal assistant could be a sensible option. In addition to listing your hobbies, create a second list of the skills you possess. Step 3. Identify your personality traits. To find the right career fit, you need to examine your personality traits more closely. While you may be a talented singer, your introverted nature might hinder your success in that field because you feel too anxious to perform in front of an audience. Therefore, it's crucial to recognize and consider your personality traits when choosing your career path. This can often be confusing, so a modern career test can help you identify the professions that suit you best using scientific data and assessments. Step 4. Determine what you want out of a career. It's also important to clarify what you desire from a career. Do you want a high salary, a respected job title, or perhaps to work for a cause that you are passionate about? By answering these questions, you can narrow down the types of roles you would be interested in pursuing and find the path to success. Step 5. Talk to industry experts. After narrowing down a few career options, speak with industry professionals to learn more about the job and the industry. They can provide insights into daily practices, working hours, career progression, and additional opportunities, which will help you gain a clearer understanding. Step 6. Research the job market. You should also investigate the job market to see if there are opportunities in your chosen field, or if it's a career that may be difficult to enter. You also need to assess whether the role you're interested in offers potential for career advancement. Otherwise, you might find yourself bored in the same position for years. Step 7. Discover your core values. Finally, identify your core values and use them to find a career that is fulfilling for you. Make a list of the qualities that matter to you and look for companies that share those core beliefs. As you can see, finding the right career isn't overly complicated when you have a solid method for identifying your interests and strengths.